No! Why the fuck the lawyer?
Yeah, the thief too?
The thief. Is that all? Oh my god. No! Hello, why am I here? Oh my god, why the lawyer? Where? Oh wow. Let me demolish this whole thing.
Dance to the beat, wave your hands together, come feel the heat forever and forever.
Oh my god, you suck. It looks like you never played the facility on Roblox. Where the coding skills suck. Bro, you're so annoying. I hope you know that. Wow. Why me? Why me? Please stop! Stop! Oh my god. I hate you! Yes, please. Get away. No! Can I surrender? Can I please surrender?
I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a
Popping bottles in the